Hello everyone, Radhika Mehta, Spoken English Classes. Today we are going to do the short conversation. In that, how to introduce or how to take introductory questions, how to ask questions to the other person and how to know about them. Today we are going to do that. So I am going to introduce my partner. Today my mother-in-law is my partner and I am going to ask few questions to her. Mama, good evening.
Good evening, Bitra.
I am going to ask you a few questions today. Where were you born?
I was born in Kurwai State, Madhya Pradesh.
Wow, that's great. Where did you do your schooling?
I did my schooling and all the education from Surat only.
Oh, but you were born in Kurwai and how come you came to Surat?
Because my mother was serving in Surat.
Very good. Okay. Who was your favorite teacher?
We had Parsi teachers and Miss Motaf Ram was very nicely teaching, so she was my favorite.
Very good. Okay. Do you remember anything about your school days? How did you go to your school?
You mean to ask how did I used any vehicle?
Yes. How did you go to your school?
I went walking because it was quite near.
Okay, very good. Mama, everybody is curious to know that how old are you?
I am 90 years old.
Wow, that's great. What is the secret of your good and healthy life?
Very punctual and moderate in everything.
Moderate means?
Means whatever I eat, whatever I do and sleep, everything very normal.
Okay. Where did you do your college?
I did my college from Surat only, MTB college.
Okay. And what were your subjects?
I did arts from MTB college and then I studied law there only.
Oh, very good. So you did your law also there.
Yeah.
And what did you do after your college?
I wanted to practice, but I couldn't as I got married.
Okay. Who all are there in your family?
My in-laws or
Okay.
this side?
No. Okay, both the sides. Maternal as well as your in-laws.
I had my mother all these years because I lost my father when I was 1.5 months old.
Oh.
And then she worked in Surat as a staff nurse and I studied there only in IP Mission Girls High School and then did college in Surat only, MTB college and law college.
Okay, great. Who all are there in your family now?
I got married
Okay.
in 1964. So now I had my in-laws, but I have lost them. Now my husband is there, my 3 sons and daughters-in-law and their children.
Okay, great. So I would ask one more question because you said that you were in army. Which all places in India have you seen?
We started from Firozpur. He got commission and first station was Firozpur. Then I got married in 64 and there was 65 war.
Oh.
My first eldest son was born in 65 only. And my husband had to go for war in 65. So we stayed in Surat with my mother. Then he had to continue there for 5 years.
Oh.
Very long period, till 70. So in 67, other son was born in Surat only because I was with my mother in Surat. And he came back in 70.
Okay.
He left in 65 and came back in 70.
Okay.
So I thought that we'll have a very good life now. But then, and we went to Sikandrabad. His posting was in Sikandrabad. We went there in 71.
What happened?
broke.
Oh, okay.
So again he had to go, but I stayed there only.
Okay.
With children.
Okay. So in Secunderabad you stayed there for quite some time, but you must have visited other places also?
In India,
Yes.
naturally, because first was Firozpur, then we went to Babina. My husband was posted there in Babina. We went to Babina. Then he went to field, so again I went to Surat. From field he came and we went to Secunderabad after 5 years.
Okay. And you stayed in Dehradun also?
Yes,
Okay.
in Dehradun also for quite some time, a year also.
Okay, great. So children, this is how we introduce each other, we ask each other questions, and this is how we go ahead with it. So next time when we meet, we'll again do similar questions, question and answers, both. See, this is the introductory lesson and we do it again. Last class we had done the WH questions and this was just the practical session of that WH questions. So next time when we meet, we'll go and do a little bit of shopping. And how to do shopping, this is how we learn and we tell you what all things you should know when you go for shopping. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.